The UEi DM515 Multimeter is equipped with a high safety rating, ensuring smooth and secure usage for various electrical testing scenarios. It offers industrial-grade testing capabilities, making it versatile for measuring a wide range of electrical parameters, including voltage, current, and resistance. The multimeter is designed to deliver impeccable speed and accuracy with its True RMS functionality, providing precise readings even with irregular sine waves. A smart and durable design ensures the DM515 can withstand tough conditions, featuring 6-foot drop protection and water resistance. The multimeter comes as a complete kit, including essential accessories like test leads, alligator clips, and a thermocouple, ensuring you have everything you need for testing. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty, the DM515 offers peace of mind knowing that you have a reliable tool for long-term use.